Welcome to the world of NOM. NOM is nature's original medicine. It is the technology which nature has given us to keep ourselves fit and healthy, and also the technology to heal any illness that we may be suffering from. In today's times, the topic of cholesterol and heart disease are much debated. And we find that the incidences of high cholesterol, heart disease, and the surgeries that are being done for the same are increasing day by day, to the extent that there is no room available many times for a cardiac patient to do his cardiac procedures. What has happened over the past 40 years? In reality, has the heart disease incidence really gone up, or are we missing something? Many eminent cardiologists have also mentioned that more than half of cardiac procedures are done in haste. They could have been avoided. And on the other side, people who do these procedures, they experience a change in their health, in their mindset, and in many other aspects of their life. But these go unnoticed because they are never linked to each other. What does NOM has to offer? Let us understand two basic facts. First, cholesterol is not from what you eat. It doesn't come from outside. It is manufactured within the body. It is a process done in the body, and an essential process, because cholesterol is vital for your brain functions, for your hormonal functions, for your lubrications, etc., etc. It has multiple uses and we bring it down. And as a result, we suffer more out of bringing it down than by allowing it to naturally resolve. And on the heart front, we fail to understand why we get a heart blockage in the first place. Because nature has designed our heart in such a way that it can last till 100 years. It is only because humans damage the heart that is the reason you go into heart issues. What is the main reason to develop a heart problem? NOM lays its finger on emotional problems, on stress. A violent emotional outburst or a violent emotional experience, it can be anger, it can be a major stress, it can be a loss of a loved one, it can be anything. But a major emotional event, it actually creates a damage on the lining of your heart blood vessels. It actually punctures a hole. That is the simplest way I can describe. In the lining, and it is that damaged lining which gives the surface for which the cholesterol or the debris or the plaques they accumulate. It is more of a mind phenomena than a physical phenomena. Now, please think about these two things. Firstly, your cholesterol is being manufactured within your body. Secondly, your heart vessels are being damaged by emotions. What to do about it? Let me introduce a drugless healing technique. NOM does offer drugless healing for many conditions, and many conditions linked to cholesterol, linked to heart ailments, can be helped, minimized, or even healed if it is commenced early. So, I will offer you a few tips which you can use and you will see the difference. Firstly, to balance cholesterol, you must ensure your liver health. And the easiest way to ensure liver health and maintain a good normal cholesterol level, please start drinking cumin water every morning. Yes, this cumin water is more effective than garlic, which is in vogue. But please observe the results of cumin water vis-a-vis garlic, and you'll be surprised that cumin water offers better results. Soak 1 teaspoon of cumin powder in 1 glass, 150 ml of water overnight. Filter it and drink the water on an empty stomach. Do it regularly. And the second tip is, after your lunch, drink a decoction of ginger and elaichi. That means you have to boil about a half inch of ginger, a small piece, put it in 150, 175 ml water, put a pod of elaichi, crush it and put it. Boil it till about 40% of the water is evaporated. And then you drink this lukewarm water after lunch, and you will see your digestion, your nutrition, your gases, everything will be resolved. The very formation of toxins in your body will stop. And not only that, this combination doesn't allow plaques to form, doesn't allow the deposits to happen in your coronary vessels. This has been my observation over hundreds of patients that we have seen over the years. These simple techniques are going to help you manage your cholesterol and your heart problems so that you can prevent a future heart surgery, the so-called bypass. Because even after the surgery is done, you have to take lifelong medications, and the aspirins that are prescribed are known to cause their side effects as well. So you have a choice between an artificial drug-based living or a natural life. And please do not forget to do an emotional detox every day. Give yourself 10 minutes of silence. Balance your emotions or take help, because the suppressed emotions are your toxins which are eating away They are the termites that are damaging the lining of your heart vessels. So, every individual above the age of 25 can do these two processes. Take care of your liver, take care of your heart, and you will hopefully not need to do a bypass in your lifetime. NOM is a very unique system which has been practiced for thousands of years in India and many other parts of the world. This technology is based on natural healing principles. It is preventive and curative so that you can actually treat any illness with unique natural therapies. At Freedom Clinics, we practice NOM and have helped many chronic patients with chronic diseases heal themselves and lead a more qualitative life and better well-being. You can opt for drugless healing in many cases, or sometimes the drugless healing is combined with natural medication that can assist you further. Please remember that natural medicine should become your base, and modern medicine must not be disrespected. Modern medicine also has its uses, but I call modern medicine as emergency medicine, as a life-sustaining process in most of the cases. But once the crisis is over, you must resort to natural methods so that you are free from lifelong drugs and lifelong side effects. To know more about NOM approach in other illnesses, you can subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon so that you can get a notification whenever we upload a new video. Or you can contact us on the numbers given here. Thank you.